Love is a word that we hear a lot. It comes up in songs and in books, it's in stories, sometimes in the ways that we're talking, a little bit of communication. Love shows up. It shows up all the time, all over the world, all throughout history, and in every single country. Love is everywhere. And that's probably because it's something that's important, something that's valued, something that people need. When you're writing a love story or want to create a love story, there are three different ways that love can be used. Now, there's probably more than just three, but today we'll talk about just three. First of all, to create a love story, the word love can be used as a noun. Now, as a noun, that makes love a thing. An example, she found love after many years. Something that was found. Or it was love at first sight. A thing that happened, an event or an acquisition. Or love conquers all. Love is the power. It was the reason. Love is the thing that made the difference. In creating a love story, you can also use love as a verb. This is the one that we probably use the most. As a verb, love is really a strong feeling. Some examples. He loves his good food. Oh, we're not talking about this boy likes it a little. He loves it. That looks like he invests into it heavily. He loves it. Or, I would love to come with you. I don't think I might come with you. I would love to come with you. The feeling is strong. There's some passion there. There's deep reason and purpose. I love this thing. This is the kind of love that exists between people, between mother, father, parents, grandparents, sisters, siblings, and also things in life. I love the violin. Just love it. I guess I could also put on there, I love ice cream. Things that you feel strongly about. It is an emotional connection. To write a love story, you can also use love as an adjective, a description. In this way, love is used as a manner, something that is done, or the way in which something is done. This often looks like he is a gentle and loving person. His personality or his mannerism, it's loving in nature. Another example, what a loving family. The way that the interactions are, the way that you care for each other, that can be described as loving. Another example, the little horse did well under his loving guidance. The manner in which this little horse was taught or guided, cared for, the way gifts were given or service happened, that can be defined as love. So, to review, when you're writing a love story, you can use love as a thing, a noun, This is a thing, or you can use love as a verb. This is something I'm passionate about, or that this character is devoted to because he loves it. Or you can use it as an adjective. The way that this happened was a loving situation. What a loving service. To give you some ideas of ways you can write a love story.